Let's start with level 1, the side glance. When 99% of men break eye contact during conversation, they subconsciously look down. In behavioral psychology, looking down signals submissiveness, fear, and low confidence. If you do this, the other person's brain instantly registers you as a follower. The professional fix? The side glance. If you must break eye contact, always shift your gaze smoothly to the left or to the right, as if you were processing a deep thought. This simple transition maintains your social authority and leaves the other person intrigued. Moving up to level 2, the false time constraint. This is a powerful social psychology hack used by master negotiators. Before you start talking to someone you want to impress, create an artificial deadline. Open the conversation by saying, "I only have 2 minutes before my next meeting, but I wanted to ask you something." Why does this work? Human nature values things that are scarce. When people know your time is limited, their brain automatically treats your presence as high value, and they listen to your words with 10 times more focus. Now we enter the danger zone with level 3, the validation freeze. When someone drops a subtle hint or tries hard to get a compliment from you, don't give them instant validation. Most people desperately nod and praise them. Instead, look them directly in the eyes, give a slight, mysterious smirk, and smoothly shift the topic or look away. This freeze creates an immediate psychological vacuum in their mind. By withholding your validation, you make them crave your approval for the rest of the day. This brings us to level 4, the open triangle posture. This is an advanced, nonverbal territory hack. In any social setting, never stand completely square to someone, as it signals aggression or desperation. Instead, keep your chest and your feet pointed slightly away, forming an open triangle shape. This subconscious positioning signals high confidence and absolute comfort in your own skin. You look highly approachable, yet completely detached from any desperate need for attention. Finally, we have reached level 5, the triangle eye hack. This is the ultimate weapon of subconscious nonverbal communication. When speaking to your crush or someone you want to build raw psychological attraction with, stop staring blankly. Use the triangle movement. Look gently into their left eye for 1 second, shift smoothly to their right eye, and then let your gaze drop down to their lips for a fraction of a second before locking back onto their eyes. This specific micro-expression triggers an instant release of dopamine in their subconscious mind. Warning: never use level 5 in strict business meetings or on straight guys, as it creates intense tension that is hard to break. Mastering these 5 levels will completely shift how people perceive your authority. If you want to continue decoding human behavior and mastering the mind daily, subscribe to the channel right now, or go back to the beginning to check if you've been making the level 1 mistake.